quick trip back to the 1980s in this 86 Fiero Pontiac GT. New fuel pump and some adjustments. She runs again. Probably as good as it ever was, right?
I don't know what though. I saw the 0 to 60 speeds and it was like 9.8 seconds or something. It's like, oh well, that's not setting any records in it. Oh, the steering shaft grabs your toe as you're turning the wheel.
Oh.
My big feet anyway. Whoa, where's you going?
I don't know. Fucking bus. Easy with the 18-year-old tires. Well, 35 feels like 60 in this car.
She rides quite nice.
It does, actually, yeah.
It's fun to put it through its paces if the tyres were a decade younger.
Yeah. Of anything behind us, so
no.
Yeah. Ooh, 60. Giving it all it's got. It goes to 60.
The cylinder's not coming back though. That's the factory design seatbelt reminder.
Oh, yeah. The seatbelt flutter.
Doing the big flap. Just grab, it's completely open, the shaft down there at the bottom of the
it just rubs on your toes.
And it just grabs you.
Good thing your shoelaces are not tight.
Yeah.
You'd be,
So what's grabbing my foot down there? It's hysterical. Revs and see if it's clear. Changes at 5,800.
Yeah.
Thanks for narrowing that down, Tom. Yeah.
Sounds like 5, but all the gauges are good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even the temperature's okay.
Yeah.
Vomiting all that water. The fuel gauge is showing 1.5 tanks.
Yeah, but you got a new one for that, don't you?
Yeah. Well, no, the customer doesn't want to do that.
Oh, okay. All right.
It really needs a new tank, really.
It's only 40 years old. Why would it need a new metal tank?
Yeah.
Got a car that's sat for 15 years.
And it's got
core. That's where that pipe.
That's where our water's coming.
Yeah. Well, we made it back.